Hi everyone, guys, welcome to Sapore di Casa Ulle. Today's video is gonna be a bit different. I'm not gonna talk about food, but I'm gonna talk about one of the latest gadgets I have, and I bought it with my own money because I needed, and I saw the result. I knew already how good it was, but I saw again the results, and I wanted to share it with you all, just in case to see if is it any valuable for you. What I wanted to show you is the Kärcher Steam Cleaner. I'll post the model on the post on the video, so you can, if you feel that it can work for you, I'll leave the link so that if you feel it's a solution that you need, I'll leave the link into the section of the video, so where you can go to Amazon and find it, and that's the place where I got it. There you go. So I used, because I am doing a project and I needed the local council to come and check my kitchen, so I decided to give it a good run. It is clean because I'm a bit obsessed, but I wanted to give that extra oomph, and also I wanted to clean the wall. So being short of time, I decided to go with the steamer. I saw this while I was working in France. Cleaner team used it, and the results were absolutely outstanding. And obviously, being more than 150 degree, steam is very effective and cleaner. So we have it. This is the Kärcher. I just can't remember the model, but it's the I think it's the SC3. I think it's SC3. I don't want to tilt it because otherwise the water comes out. It takes up to a liter of water, I believe. I use the water from the jug with the filter. It helps a bit because the water here is a bit. It needs the filtering. We'll find that the water better with the filter. I can do the kitchen, but I needed to clean this room. I can show the kitchen because it's cleaned already, but I need to clean this room. This is the sitting room, and we have the stove, the wooden stove here, and the wall are smoking. Not sure if you can see it, but they need a good scrub. Okay, so I'll do that, and if not, I got other places in the house that I would like to run with the cleaner. So here we have a mark, another mark on the wall here. I've cleaned the wall with a cloth before, so yeah, if you can see here, there's those marks. I don't know what those marks are. If somebody knows, just let me know, because this is mind-boggling. What seems like we killed somebody here, but we haven't killed anybody. But if you can see here, that's where we are at the moment. So I'm gonna just turn on the steamer, and he has the traditional on-off button here, and he's warming up. Sorry, I had to get that phone call over there. It is on. I'll give a couple of puff. When you give it the first spray, it leaves release some water on the pad here. Okay, and it starts to do some rattling noise. It should take around 30 to 40 seconds to warm up and to be ready, this cleaner. I will try run out on water because I have to clean your room so that we can see the green LED over there. Okay? I think it's ready. So I'm gonna set these things up on the wall so that you can all see. Let's see if I can get the wall. Right, let's go. As you can see, here we use a bit of water. You have to be careful there. Okay, water starting to be out. Oops. And you see these red things. That's once they were here, they're gone. You gotta have, you need to have water, washable paint for this to work. Otherwise, you can, I guess, you will take all the paints off the wall. So. Yeah, this room is heavy used. The smokes. So. Sure if you can see that. So the tile there, they must have been really, really mocky. So that's how it looks like. And I can see that those little things have gone from here. What I will do, I will make another video when the weather is a little bit better, and I'll be able to show you there, but of course now it's a little bit wet, but it is clean. And for me, without go on the ladder, bucket and soap and the other stuff. Okay, so as I go along, I'll take little snippet and I'll show you. Okay, see you in a bit.